A very good day to all my dear friends. Welcome back. Today we are going to make quick and easy beetroot rice. Now beetroot is loaded with nutrition, so this rice is very healthy, and if you have beetroot puree ready in your deep freezers, then you can make this in a jiffy. Cook some rice and toss it with beetroot puree, tempering and some spices, and it's done. You can relish it with just papad and pachadi. But if you wish, you can also serve something fried on the side. Like I love it with fried raw banana. Even that recipe I've already shared. You can check that out as well. And now let us prepare this quick, easy and healthy beetroot rice. Ingredients are listed in the description box. You can check them out. Now in a pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil. I am using sesame seed oil, but you can use any oil you have, or even you can add some ghee. Now add the tempering ingredients. Half teaspoon each of cumin seeds, mustard seeds, split urad dal and 2 red chillies. Reduce the flame. Now add 2 to 3 pinches of Asafoetida. Give it a mix and let all these crackle. The flavors of Asafoetida will be infused into the oil. Add a sprig of curry leaves and some cashew nuts slit into halves. Give them a toss until they change color. Here goes the beetroot puree. I'm adding about 2 tablespoons as I have 2 cups of cooked rice. You can add more if you like, but I like to keep it light red in color. I don't like very reddish pulao. Saute it a bit. Add little bit of salt. Rice is already cooked, adding salt, so be very careful. Quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, and little bit, about half teaspoon of chilli powder, or you can add more if you like. Give them all a mix. If you wish, you could even add slit green chillies. Now goes the rice. I have cooked the rice and kept it ready. Pre-cooked rice always works better for this dish. I have 2 cups of cooked rice. Cook it to a grainy texture. Don't make it mushy. Now mix this well into the masala. Add 2 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut. Mix it well into the rice. Now the spice level and the quantity of beetroot puree, as I mentioned earlier, can be adjusted to your liking and preference. Check the salt. At this stage, you can adjust the flavors. Squeeze out some lemon juice. Just half a lemon would do. Mix it well, and your beetroot rice is ready. Just add some coriander leaves. Delicious. I have paired it with raw banana fry. You can check out the recipe link in the description box, and some beetroot and potato poriyal and fried appalams. You can just relish this beetroot rice with some pachadi also. This is a simple and easy way of adding beetroot to your diet. And also you can make use of your leftover rice if you have any. Thank you for watching. Check out these video links leisurely. And happy cooking. Have a nice day.